Let me blow your mind with space. Using just outer space isn't far away. It starts about 100 kilometers up. That's the Kármán line, a 1-hour drive, straight up. Out there, there's almost nothing. Not empty, but close. In intergalactic space, you can find less than one hydrogen atom in an entire cubic meter. Imagine an Olympic pool, with maybe a few atoms in it. The temperature of the universe? 0.7 kelvins, that's minus 270 Celsius. Almost absolute zero. That cold glow is the afterlight of the Big Bang still washing over us. But here's the twist. The stuff between galaxies is insanely hot. Millions of kelvins. It's a plasma, spread so thin it barely counts. Yet it holds about half of all ordinary matter out there. Half. And ordinary matter, the stuff that makes you, me, stars, pizza, only adds up to a tiny slice of the universe. Most of the mass energy is dark. Dark matter. Dark energy. We don't see it. We don't touch it. But its gravity shapes galaxies, and its push is speeding the universe apart. Space lets us see deep in time. Because it's so empty, those first red baby galaxies can shine to us with almost no obstruction. That's why images like Webb's first deep field look like confetti made of time. When does space start? There's no hard edge. The air just thins, and keeps thinning. We picked 100 kilometers for treaties and record books. It's a line humans agreed on, not a wall the universe built. Speaking of treaties, in 1967, countries signed the Outer Space Treaty. No one owns space. Everyone can explore. Beautiful idea. But the truth? People have tested anti-satellite weapons up there. Space is peaceful, until it isn't. How did we figure any of this out? In the 1600s, scientists noticed air pressure drops with altitude and said, hey, maybe the space to the moon is vacuum. In the 1900s, we finally measured how far Andromeda is, 2.5 million light years. That's when the scale of everything hit us. Then we left. Balloons, rockets. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin orbited Earth, first human to circle the planet. Since then, humans mostly stick to low Earth orbit and the moon, because flying people is expensive. Like, insanely expensive. Robots? Robots go everywhere. We've sent uncrewed spacecraft to every known planet in the solar system. They don't need air, water, or snacks. Humans do. And space is not friendly. Vacuum can boil your blood if your suit fails. Radiation hits your DNA. Microgravity steals your muscles and your bones. Stay long enough, your body changes its rules. But here's the part I love. For all the danger and emptiness, space is generous. It gives us perspective. In a universe that's almost all nothing, we found a place that's everything to us. So next time you look up, remember the numbers. 100 kilometers to space. 2.7 kelvins for the cosmic background. Less than 1 atom per cubic meter between galaxies. Half of ordinary matter floating as thin plasma. And most of the universe? Dark and mysterious. That's not scary, that's exciting. Because if the universe is mostly unknown, we still have almost everything left to discover.